Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the brand grid widget to show off your brand partners with style on your online store. The brand grid widget is a minimalistic feature to display brand logos, meta, and associated links. Powered by Ultimate Store Kit, the widget offers extra customization to let you personalize your brands as you see fit. To start using this widget, you may find it under the Widgets menu and drag-drop it on the page. The default grid populates blank images on your landing page, so you can start filling it up. Under the Content tab, all the brand items are listed. You can open them individually and add a brand image, name, and URL. You are free to choose your photos from the media library. And just like that, you can finish filling up the whole grid with your custom brand items. Once you are done with filling all items, you may want to explore the additional options, such as the number of columns for the grid, column gap, row gap, and image resolution. These extra options will help you make the right adjustments to the layout. Now, if you need to customize the appearance of the grid, which you must do to personalize the brands, you will find the options inside the Style tab. Starting with the Item section, you are able to change the brand item backgrounds here. There's already a default border visible on the grid, which you can personalize to remove the border or change border style, border width, and color. A border radius option is also available and lets you curve the edges of the border. And to make your grid more interactive, you can find colors and box shadow options for hover mode. So you can easily create a custom hover effect to help your audience experience a better navigation and UI. For the brand images as well, there's a separate section that lets you customize them. Like items, you can customize the border, border radius, and padding for the images, as well as you can adjust the image height, width, and opacity. There's a CSS filter option, which helps you diversify the color properties of the images further. The option consists of blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue controls. The same opacity and CSS filters are also available in hover settings, so you can add more interactivity to your content. And just like that, you can create personalized brand grids to show off your brand partners. There are other examples prepared to help you grasp more creative designs instantly. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more widget tutorials. See you soon!